All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ADVT, currently traded at 0179. We looked at it over here on Friday. I said 0179 at resistance at 018002. Has another day or so. Keep moving, in my opinion. If buying slows, pull back to the 10-day simple moving average. Well, again, like I said, has another day or so. You guys were able to get out, benefit from that, up 47%. Right now, has 0290 going back into the past. We could probably do that line right around there. Now you guys blown through every resistance level since 2011. Oh my goodness. If I can base that off of that somewhere around here, you guys, the next resistance level you're going to be watching for really is going to be around the 0.30, around the 3.5 cent mark. If the buying continues, it's just going to keep going. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and when you get that momentum behind it, you're ready to smack into some serious volume days here. Looks like 35 million shares traded then. Currently at 15 million shares traded. Hey, you guys play the momentum and wait for the selling to really let up. I'm not going to sit here and try to put any pinpoint on where I believe it's going at this point. Watch. Joe, you can go in ADVT and tell us a little bit about it, what's going on here if you know.
Yeah, there's a press release on it today. Let me just pull that up. It's Advantis Corp to produce Amstercan branded vape pens. And that was from today's press release. Advantis Corporation is launching its own line of premium quality Amstercan vape pens. Laboratory testing confirms that the new formulation of Amstercan vape oils contain the highest concentration of THC when compared with the top performing brands in the market space. Advantis began jointly developing these oil strains with medical marijuana cooperative Natural Elements back in July of 2016. We are thrilled to be able to offer packaging solutions for Natural Elements' highest quality cannabis strains and oils, as well as our partnering at Hemporis Club and all of the cultivators and cooperatives we work with. Swartz explained, we helped develop these concentrates and we are finally packaging and co-branding these 4 strains of Amstercan vape oils. Amstercan's most potent oil has a THC concentration of over 85%, stronger than almost anything out there. We've been helping develop these oils as soon as I began at Advantis. Swartz further commented on how adding another proprietary product alongside a more well-known one will allow for a variety of options for Advantis clients. I take great pride in what we are doing here, said Swartz. We've discovered a great synergy with the partners we work with and the products we produce and provide to our growing client base. Advantis is able to pioneer and follow at the same time, delivering innovative new solutions while working with the highest quality partners to ensure Advantis is always associated with one of the best product options. And Swartz went on to talk about how he led the journey of new strains in Americans' oils. So I'm trying to think of where they're selling everything at. All right, so marketing has been a key focus of each product Swartz has rolled out, and he has an effort and brand's traction. We're starting a new internet marketing and media strategy for this launch. Swartz elaborated, we have been in communication with a national television producer that is interested in showcasing our company, products, and business model. We are soon to announce a celebrity endorsement. Our manufacturer processes, machinery, and inventory are now at a level where I feel comfortable inviting them in for an interview. I wouldn't exactly say opportunities like this make things easier, but earned media does help get exposure. Swatch ended by saying that there is more to come and that the synergy is always at the top of his mind. All right, so I kind of just went through a bunch of different things in the press release rather than read the whole thing. But I mean, it's there for anybody to go and read it. I want to see, like, obviously go into their filings as well, see what's going on with the filings. As always, it's all right there at your fingertips, right there on Investors Hangout. And if you have any opinions on the company, just go hit up the message board and have at it.
All right, again,
With the tens of thousands of other people that are over here looking for different companies and investments.
all right, so 213, like I said, for today, 0290. Watch for this to keep going for today and maybe 214 tomorrow. Watch for buying to let up. If it does, be safe. Next resistance at 0350. This isn't going to be one of those stocks that I could sit here and try to put pinpoints points on the prices. We can take a look into the 30-minute chart to kind of get a better idea. You guys are starting to get outside that upper Bollinger Band. It might start pulling back a little bit. Play it safe, as always. But again,
see them vape pens right there. Like, I was looking for a picture of them vape pens. I couldn't find one yet. The one that they're launching right now. They're launching their own quality vape pens. I know somebody has one. I mean, remember when the smokeless cigarettes came out? Mm-hmm. And they started where most people were buying the smoke pens there or whatever, the smokeless cigarette things. I forget the name of it. What was that pen that came out? Remember, you buy it. It was like you throw it away after. I forget the name of it. I mean, they're still selling them at stores.
Gas stations, right?
Yeah, gas stations and stuff. But I mean, I'm guessing it's like that. It's that with THC in it. That kind of vape pen. I mean, I know somebody has one. They love it. I don't know if it's from this company or maybe they have a synergy with it. Who knows, man? It's still it's more or less at the stage right now for anybody. You need to do your research, see who's making what, and with who, and all these other synergies that these guys are competing, like constantly getting. So that is that, David.
ADVT, if you follow this one, make sure you click subscribe right now to stay updated with all the hottest stocks in the market. And if there's a stock that you're following that you would like to see us cover next, head over to investorshangout.com/live.